Bodykit's going to go on. So I've laid it out for you so I can show you exactly what's what. So here we've got the rear arches, make it look wider, better, and just give it a bit of a more beastly look. And then moving to your right, go to the side skirts. And with the side skirts, what we're going to do, obviously, most likely going to get them riveted. Go and see what the body shop guy says. And yeah, so we're going to get these fitted in as well. We're going to try and make it look as come natural with the car. This is the front bumper. I mean, just looking at it, you'll see for yourself how sick it is. I mean, I fucking think it looks bad. Yeah, this is the juice kit. I got it from Black Flag Labs Official. They're on Instagram if you want to give them a follow. Yeah, the juice kit, one of the best kits to get, and recommended by many people. A lot of people do rep these kits on for mine. I went my MX5 and you know, go for the same kit. Color wise, you'll see that's going to be in another video. I'm still deciding, and it's going to be different. It's going to look sick. So that's the front bumper. And the best one is now to finish off the look of the car, the rear bumper. Just look at the size of it, man. You know, got the JDM style back as well, from a Japanese style. So I'm just gonna get a JDM plate made. Got my private plate that'll be going on. Exhaust is gonna come out of there. So yeah, you'll see a new exhaust mod as well soon, once all this is on. So yeah, that's the quick insight on what we're gonna do.